What's going on, guys? It's Cameron, and today we're doing another Westin Automotive installation video. Today we're going to be installing our Grate Steps on this 2006 F250 Crew Cab. Now this part number is actually going to fit all the way from 99 up to 2016. So let's go ahead and get the truck in the shop and we'll get the installation started. All right, so now that we got the truck back in the shop, we can go ahead and talk about this kit a little bit more. The mount kit and the step bars are two separate part numbers, so make sure you're aware of that when you're ordering these up. So some of the cool features about these steps is that they are a one-piece solid construction design, and they do feature this very aggressive tread design on the top that helps you clear out mud and snow from your boots. So they are truly for the working man's truck, or if you're actually going to be using this for, job site work, anything like that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the truck up in the air and we'll start the installation. All right, so to begin installation of the mounting brackets, what you need to do is take the hardware that's included with your kit. Start with the clip nut. Go ahead and install that into the rocker panel, and then you can use the rest of the 5/16 hardware to attach the bracket to the clip nut and the hole in the rocker panel. Now we can go ahead and attach it here to the bottom hole. Now the installation for the rest of the brackets is pretty simple. You're just going to go ahead and repeat this step all the way down the rocker panel. Alright, so now that we've gotten the mounting brackets installed on the vehicle, we can now focus on getting the step bars installed. So these come with 3 of these pre-threaded plates already installed, but since our application has 4 mounting brackets, we need to install an extra plate, which we do give you in the kit. So they do slide in here like this, and it consists of the adapter plate and plate A. So the plate A is going to go underneath, and then you're going to slide them in the bar. So once you get it slid in there, you need 2 of these threaded posts, and these are going to actually thread back into here. And these are what you're going to use to actually attach these 2 brackets. Then using a 5/32 Allen key, you can tighten these down. All right, now we can get these installed on the brackets. Alright, so once you have the bar aligned and adjusted on the brackets, go ahead and use the M8 hardware that's included with your kit to attach everything, and then repeat the steps for the rest of the brackets. Alright, so now once we have all the hardware in place, we can then go through and tighten down all the set screws on the bolt plates. You're going to take your 5/32 Allen key and place it into the set screw and tighten them all down at this time, and repeat that for all the brackets. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and look at the torque specs that are located in your install sheet and torque everything down. Alright guys, so with the driver and passenger side done, the installation is now complete. So for any more information about these step bars or anything else Westin Automotive offers, go ahead and visit westinautomotive.com.